Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing fantastic today because we are going to make this crop top bustier. It's beginner friendly. Just make sure that you follow the tutorial step by step. So we're going to need a quarter of our bust around circumference and mine is 9 inches, and I am going to draw a square of 9 by 9 inch. Once we are done, we need to find 4 equal parts of the square and mine is 4.5 inches. Then the next thing that we're going to do is to mark or label our lines. The first on the other side is the back and the other side is going to be the center front. Now at the bottom I have marked 1 inch on both sides. Then on the top I'm going to go down by 1.5 inch. Then on both sides I'm going to mark 1/2 inch for that. Then connect the points. So I need to create the armhole for the back side. So I am going to go up on that center line. I'm going to go up by 1.5 inch and then create an armhole line. Now for the center front, I am going to go up by 2 inches. And that is going to be the neck line. And then I am going to connect it more like a sweetheart neckline. Now for the front, my bend is going to be around 15 inches. And then I'm going to create or connect it to the center front piece. Then I'm going to lower my bend by 1 inch. Then blend the point to the original line. And then what we need to do is to find the width of the band, and mine is going to be around 1.5 inch. Now you want to join the band to the center front neckline. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and draft the back piece. It's very easy to draft the back piece. What we need again is quarter of our bust around measurement, and mine is 9 inches. And then we are going to connect to the back piece. Then the next thing is to determine the width of the back, which is going to be 4 inches. And then once I am done, I'm going to connect the points all the way to the armhole line. So guys, we are done drafting our pattern. Don't forget to label that the back piece is definitely going to be cut on fold. So guys, for us to sew these pieces, you will notice that the back piece is actually 1, and I'm going to take the center front, right sides facing, and then go ahead and sew 1/2 inch seam allowance. And I went ahead to create shoulder straps, which is around 19 inches by length. So I am going to connect this shoulder straps right on the bust area. Then go ahead and place my lining also right sides facing. So guys, once we are done attaching the straps, we are going to go ahead and sew the bustier all around, and don't forget to leave an opening at the bottom. So guys, we are almost done. The only thing left for us is to close the opening, and don't forget to press iron your work. So guys, we are done. I really love how this crop top actually turned out, and hope you also enjoy making this project as much as I did. As for me, see you on the next one.